In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can increase engagement, which is basically interaction with your video. So how to get other people to interact with your video, how to make them comment so that they comment something that is relevant to your video. The more relevant comments you get, the better, because YouTube will see that the comments relate to the actual video. So how do you do that? Well, in the video itself, you could always get people to engage with you by asking them questions. You could say something like, tell me about your experiences about trying to de-shed your dog. Ask them questions, stuff like that. You can also increase engagement also with annotations. If you're not familiar with annotations, they're basically little bubbles with words in them that people can click, or little notes that you can tell people. They can click on it. It'll allow you to link to other videos or even external annotation links, as you can see here. And you can enable that, but you have to be very, very careful when it comes to external links. YouTube is very, very, very strict when it comes to this. So you want to make sure you comply with all their policies. If you go down this route, you need to make sure you read their AdWords policies, their YouTube ad policies, and their YouTube community policies. Now, I'm not going to be using external links because I don't want to go down that route. I want to redirect them to interact with my video. If I want to redirect them to a link, I'm going to redirect them to another video and keep them within the YouTube space, because that will help me get more interaction with my other videos. You see where I'm going with this? So if you go down the route with this is a little bit tricky because they're always updating their policies. They generally don't like you to link to stuff like affiliate links and stuff like that, and they generally like you to link within their own ecosystem. So I generally link within the YouTube videos themselves. So that way I get more traffic to my other videos. Now, to add annotations, it's really, really easy to do. You click on add annotation. You can add speech bubbles. You can add notes. You can add titles. You can add spotlights, which are basically, if I do a spotlight on this area, everything will kind of be darkened and this area will be spotlighted on. We got labels and more. So if we click on something like a speech bubble, I could say something like, share your de-shedding frustrations. And you got your start and end, so I can select the area that I want it to appear. So I could select this here. You can also click on link and add external links. You can add a video, playlist, channel, get them to subscribe, Google Plus profile, or a fundraising project. Now, like I said, generally you want to link to a video, playlist, or channel. And notice that they don't really say here to link to external links. So if you can link within the ecosystem of YouTube itself, that's actually better. So you can actually, at the very end, say something like, if you enjoyed this video, check out my playlist of more de-shedding solutions. And you can link it to your playlist. And you can also have it open in a new window if you like to. And you can start linked video at whatever second it is. So let's say, for example, it is 9 minutes and 31 seconds. So I can do 9 minutes and 31 seconds. But of course, the easier way to do this is simply by selecting this box here and of course aligning it with whatever you want up here. So what happens is it'll show up at this point, and the box means that how long do you want it to show? So if I click on this and I stretch it up here, over here, this tells it how long do you want the annotation to show for. So if I want it to be a lot longer, I could show it starting here and it ends up here. Or if I want to show it just really quickly, I can do that as well. So when you're done with it, you can customize it, the colors, the font size, and the coloring. And all you have to do is click on publish and you're good to go.